For centuries, we have been living together with plants inside of our home. They provide a sense of nature, fresh air, beauty, and in return, we try to give them the care they need. But the moment we don't, they die. Why can't plants stay alive in our home? In the wild, trees can grow for decades old by themselves, without needing any help of the human. Inside, we strip them of their ability to interact with their environment and to let them care for themselves. We strip them of their autonomy. This is why we created Postplant. Postplant aims to give back this autonomy through a family of plant wearables. They enable indoor plants to better interact and communicate with their environment, humans, and others, as they are so used to in the wild. By capitalizing their inherent ways of communicating, we enable them to better care for themselves and others. By enabling them to change their location, we let the plants decide where they think their ideal living condition is located, and in return create awareness about the conditions to the others inside of the home. By giving them an artificial leaf, we enable them to communicate to humans more clearly when they still need help, or when humans might need a bit of help. And by letting them share water with other plants, we let them share nutrients and communicate information through chemicals they normally would share inside of the soil. Through these wearables, plants are again able to live the life they want to live inside of the ecosystem we call home.